saw some people, they use rice hulls to loosen up the dirt and the clay and stuff, and I prefer sawdust. It's better if your sawdust is fine though. A lot better if your sawdust is fine. Hopefully I got the right tie here. Boy. Yes. Okay. Sawdust in here. This side. This side. This side. I'm going to get that mixed in with a little bit of chicken poop as well. What do you use to make the dirt soft?
Make the dirt soft?
Yeah.
This one.
Sawdust?
Yes.
We use this. Oh.
We use this one.
Well, I didn't know. I thought I was the only one doing that.
No, I
In the Philippines, they use rice hulls. You know, after they break the rice, they use the rice hull.
They use the whole thing, though.
Yeah. And they just bury it in,
Mix it, yeah.
make it loose. I think it's better if you got a fine sawdust, though, no? Or does it matter?
It doesn't matter.
No.
I use this and leaves.
Oh, leaves. Yeah, of course, compost. Yeah, you can find leaves.
It makes the dirt loose.
Okay. I think we'll put one more on this side.
On this side.
Yeah, and then
On top of that thing.
yeah, it's okay. We're gonna mix it, and then two more in there, over there, and two more over there.
Okay.
We're getting lots of grass in there. Makes a lot of work when you get too much grass in there. Gotta get all that out, or it's gonna start growing, no?
When you find the roots, it don't goes to grow anymore.
No?
When you lose the roots,
Oh.
like this.
Oh yeah.
The roots.
Okay. It's good. So we actually pull this dirt from a pile over here, way over there. Dig it from that pile, and then get this all loosened up for the Swiss chard and beets tomorrow, and then whatever other vegetables. I know we've got lots of germinated, some germinated carrots. I want to try some from seed, and we've got cauliflower, broccoli. I don't know if it should be half shaded too, but we're going to test it. And a lot of other vegetables. I started certain types of the red warty pumpkin, or the red warty, and then the bottle gourd. Bottle gourds are put on the other side over there, and test them there.